sale, 10% off. And when she went out the door, she paid 36 bucks. She was like, yay, that's a good deal. I paid $36 for a blank priced item. What was the original price? We are going backwards from here. So I'm not going to do the original times 0.9 equals 36. I don't know this thing. To go backwards, here's what we're going to do instead. To the side or underneath it, instead of multiplying, you're going to divide. Take 36, and underneath it, we're going to divide it by the markdown 0.9. If you're looking for the original, you're going to work backwards. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. What is the original price? Silent hands. Logan. What is it? And notice how the price went up. The original was 40. The discount was 36. So the original should have been more money. Here's what we're doing for today when working backwards through problems. We have to use inverse operations. Inverse is going to mean Mason voice 1. Inverse means opposites. Normally you're going to multiply the price by the percent to find the markup or markdown, but in order to find the original price, you do the opposite. We have to divide. Take a look at number 1. I'm still going to have you mark arrows up and down while I read it. Annotate with an arrow up or down, and box a keyword. After 6% tax, a new pocketbook cost Sarah $27.55. What was the original cost? You should have circled or underlined original. That tells me I'm working backwards. Instead of multiplying, I divide. After 6% tax, you should mark up, and that would be 106%. $27.55 was the total after the markup. Should the price be higher or lower than $27.55? What do you think, Jameson?
I think it should be lower since it's a markup and we're going back to its original price.
Correct. Let's check it out to see if it's lower. You're going to divide by 1.06 and get your answer. Plug it in. What is it? Silent hands. Still asleep. 27.55 divided by 1.06. 25.99 is the answer. This original pocketbook was cheaper, and then they added tax onto it. This is the answer. Read number 2 for me, please, Corbin. Carter.
Carter bought a pocketbook on sale, 25% off.
You're going to box a keyword. What keyword did you find, Lauren? And it's on sale. Is this a markup or markdown, Kate? Okay. The new price was $28.50. And it should be by 75% or 0.75. What do I do with those two numbers, Jackson? Yeah, we're looking for the original. Go backwards, divide it. The moment you see the word original, you box it, underline it, put a star, and you're going to divide. 28.50 divided by 0.75 is what, Mason?
38.
Great. The original price is 38. The new price was 28.50. It used to be more expensive, but the sale made it cheaper. Last one. Read it for me, Max.
Number 2?
Yeah.
The cost is about $20.14 for Barbie doll. After 6% sales tax, what was the original price of Barbie?
What's your keyword that you should box for this one? Aiden, board of paper. Hadley. Box. Hadley, what's the keyword? And that means I'm working backwards, so I'm going to divide. Whole class, what do I do for this problem? I don't multiply, I'm working backwards. So at the 6% tax, let's get the markup down. It should be 106%. Give me the decimal for this one, Justice. Good. And what did I do again, Jackson, instead of multiplying?
Oh, you divide.
Great. Plug it into your calculator. What do you get? Colton.
19.
Max.
Why is the packet so big?
There's a review a review problem at the end. So there's only 4 problems for this lesson, but then I want you to go back and put everything that we've learned together the past 9 lessons. I want you to do number 4 on your own if you haven't already. If you've already finished number 4, you can look at the review. Don't start partner practice yet. After my 20% teacher discount, a new desk will cost me $68. What's the original? Box original, put arrow up or down. $68 divided by what? Give me the decimal that you divided by, Daniel. 68 divided by 0.8 would be what answer, Jameson?
I got 85.
Nice.
Yeah.
0.8 equals. That is it. Partner practice is not going to work, or appointments aren't going to work if there's so many people absent. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to take 1 minute. If you would like to eat a snack at your desk and clean up all trash, all crumbs, sit down. All trash, all crumbs while you are working. You may choose to get a snack first and then find a seat with a partner. I'm okay with groups of 2 or 3.